Drip, drop, drip, drippity drop.
You know I got lemonade. She in the bed like, go baby. She be like, go baby. She be like, go baby. What you take me for? What you take me?
Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking. What in the color purple is going on here? Well, I'll tell you. Just wait. Just wait, sis. You gotta trust me, okay? This is what's going on. Also, please excuse my brows. They casually slipped off in the shower. Those rascals. But yes, okay. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. The theme of this video is thick drip, okay? Because you're gonna be using thick ass product. And also drip, because you're gonna be dripping too hard. Don't stand too close, you might drown, okay? And it's basically inspired by NaturalNeiicey's. I followed her technique. I didn't use the same products that she used, but it's basically like the same technique that she did, and I thought it was amazing because her hair looked bomb. Like, it was like, you just have to watch her video because her hair looks amazing. So I just was inspired by her video to do that. And so yeah, got a little tangle in here. Just keep watching to see the finished results.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him gon' take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now gon' take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted
So I don't know how I feel about this right now because my forehead is looking quite exponential. Soul glow. I'm getting a soul glow vibe right now. I'm panicking. And I'm just gonna add some more gel. Oh, wow. You know what? I'm just gonna act like it's cute and maybe it'll turn out cute. Girl, you fine. You're dripping, girl. Okay, I'm gonna lay my edges. Okay, so I feel like this has potential, but it just has to be a whole look. Because if it's not a whole look, I kind of look crazy right now. But I'm gonna wrap this for an hour and we'll see how it looks in an hour. And I'm just gonna put on my makeup and stuff.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on 3. Told them drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now gonna take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G. Now yeah, get ready. Oh, we're on.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. It hasn't quite been an hour yet. It's been like 40 minutes, but 45 minutes. But I'm just gonna take it off anyway because gotta go to work in like 10 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see how this. Yeah, it's still very wet. I'm kind of scared. The big reveal. Okay. I'm really scared. Cause if this don't look right, I just gotta go to work like this. Wow. Girl. I'm gonna just have to rock with it today. It just is what it is. So, okay, yep. I mean, it's chic in a way. It's chic. All right, so I'm kind of feeling this. Like the more I look at it, the more I kind of like it. So there's that. What do y'all think? Do you think this was a hit or miss? And I'll also come back to show you what it looks like when it's drier, like when I get back from work. So we'll see how that looks too. But I'll give it about an 8 out of 10. Ladies, I'm back, okay? So my hair's probably about I say like 75% dry. It's really only, it's not even wet for real right there. It's just a little bit wet like at the roots, but from here on down, like here on down, it's dry, but it's just wet like in the center part. So yeah, it's just wet in the center part, but I'm actually feeling this wet look, okay? Before I went to work, it was the drench. It just looked drenched, okay? And that wasn't really, I wasn't feeling it for real. But when it dried and like got a little bit more body, I felt, you know, okay, drip too hard, okay? So yeah, did y'all think this was a success? Did you like the tutorial? Tell me what you thought in the comments below. And it's like nighttime right now, so okay, here's the back of it too. It's nighttime, so I don't really know how I'm gonna do my hair. I'm probably just gonna rubber band it, so I'll just do like 2 to 3 rubber bands and put a scarf around it. I'm just gonna do it lightly so it doesn't mess up the curls too much. And so yeah, I'll just tie my scarf around it and then be good to go. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.